A sunny day in late October is a rare thing where I live. We've been having heavy frosts and mostly lots of days of rain. It's been more than a month since I put this row cover on, and it's definitely time to check on it. I haven't looked at it or peeked. I wanted to share it with you, and it's time to work on the bed behind me to my right so that we can take out the last of the tomatoes, which are getting frost now, and plant garlic there as we'd promised. So I'm just going to pause the camera for a second. We're going to take this off and take a look at what's here, and we're just going to talk briefly about winterizing the garden, getting ready for winter, and then we'll look at planting the garlic. Here we go. Okay, I guess I'm just going to talk while I do this and take the pipes off on each side that have been holding down the row cover. I just want to note that we've had very strong winds and the row cover has held. Nothing has come off. Holy, can actually feel a pulse of warm air coming out of here as I uncover this, because the row cover is doing what it's supposed to, which is contain warmth. This is incredible, guys. As it seems, everything that's happened on Backyard Abundance has been incredible. I want to just take right there one leaf of kale and help you see the size of that. All of the kale plants are absolutely gigantic. The cabbage heads are forming, and the beets, well, there's a leaf on one of the beets. You can see how much growth has been happening. The marigolds are fading fast, and then I'm just going to come around here. We'll see how you can spot what's going on in the foreground here. The leeks have sized up significantly. The onions have bulbs. And I'm just going to take the camera down here so you can see the lettuce as well. But I just want you to see that. Look at that kale. I've got smoothies and greens for the winter now. This is good. We know that some of our lettuce did not survive, but look at that. 3 of the lettuce did not succumb to the little nasties that were growing here. So we've got some lettuce coming on here, and again, the size of the kale. Cabbage has been eaten a little bit, but it's forming heads. The kale is just incredible. So there's a beautiful harvest going on. The key in all of this, right, is that we've kept the soil covered anywhere that it's not growing anything. And just going to show you 1 or 2 other little things to make sure that you're doing as you get ready to winterize your garden beds. Another key thing with winterizing your garden is going to your drip irrigation where your filter is. And keep in mind, this is the one place in the irrigation system where water can pool, which means if it's going to freeze where you live over winter, this is the part that can break. All I do in winter is take these 2 pieces and put them inside. I leave all of this intact as is. And in spring, I'll turn this on and let a bit of water purge it. And then in spring, when we're past frost, I'll put these 2 items back on. But for winterizing, all I do is take those off, and now water or ice can move around inside the pipes, and they'll be fine as long as this is taken off, the water or the ice can escape. So that's another necessary winterizing for drip irrigation. Take off your filter. So we've been amazed by pulling back the row cover at seeing the size of the kale. The lettuce has survived, beets were coming on, and now I'm going to clean out this bed. We've also noted to take out the filter from the drip irrigation. I thought I'd picked the last of my tomatoes here a week or 2 ago, and I'll just show you a photo there right now on the screen of this massive bowl of tomatoes I picked a couple weeks ago. We have had frost down to -4, -5 the last couple nights, and then intermittently lots of rain as well. But I just picked a few more beets and a few more tomatoes from this bed, and now to finish off this bed, all I'm going to do is take a little pruning saw and or some pruning shears and cut all these plants off right at the soil level where the roots and the soil meet. I don't want to uproot anything. I want to let those roots push nutrition as they rot and decay back into the soil. And then we're going to get this all ready for garlic. So I'm just going to hack away at this, pull it all out. This will become good compost. And then we'll get ready to cover all the soil except for right where the drip lines are, which will be for spring, and plant some garlic down both sides of the drip line in this bed, and we will be ready to put this garden to bed for winter. Backyard Abundance will be done. Okay, I'm just gonna start pulling this apart.